Hello everyone. Welcome to our engineering exploration project. I'm Mukti Bhansali from KLE Technological University. My teammates are Ashrit, Manjunath and Sanjana. We have developed this project under the guidance of Miss Unnati Kopikar ma'am. Our problem definition is to construct a semi-automatic boat which is able to store deserts, read and display input data, to detect a plate, and then serve multiple deserts of size 1 cross 1 feet. It should be portable and easy to maintain. The boat must be customized so that it can read input data. The boat must be user-friendly, it should be cost-effective, and it should alert the user when it's needed to be refilled. Once charged, the boat must work for a minimum of 3 hours. Next, let us look at the function tree and functional clustering. The subsystems identified are user interface, item handling, and indications. Under user interface, we have options, meaning the deserts which the user can select. And the next one is to read data, which is basically what the user has selected. The item handling part includes the items to be served, the storage of the items, the plate sensing, tracing the path, plate motion, and dispenser. The indications that are required are machine on and off, process completion, and empty container indication. Next, let us look at the generated concepts. These are the 4 designs based on the concept. The selected design among these 4 is this. Now, it is the time to move to our virtual implementation part. This is the virtual implementation of our boat using Autodesk Inventor. So, let us have a look at it. This is the circuit diagram of the implementation. Let us understand the working of this circuit diagram using a flowchart. When the machine starts, the DC motor rotates for 5 seconds. Now, the DC motor switches off. The stepper motor detects the plate and rotates to an angle of 180 degree. The stepper motor serves laddus. Now, the DC motor again switches on and rotates for another 10 seconds. The servo motor detects the plate then. It rotates for 90 degrees to serve the candies. Now, the DC motor again turns on to reach its destination, and the time is 5 seconds for this process. The buzzer buzzes, indicating the completion of this process. The whole process takes about half a minute. Next up, bill of materials. A plastic pipe would be required to store laddus and candies. It must be tough, of high strength and transparent. The quantity required is 2, of course. The fabrication process follows cutting. Coming to motors, we require 3 motors, that is DC motor, stepper motor and a servo motor. A conveyor belt made of acrylic sheets, nylon rods and crepe bandage would be required. And it has to undergo laser cutting and drilling. Next in list we have microcontroller, that is Arduino Mega 2560. 2 IR sensors for sensing the plate. Acrylic sheets of 2 feet would be required for the housing. And the fabrication process again would be laser cutting and drilling. 25 nuts and bolts of M3 and M4. an aluminium channel of 25 cm and a foam sheet of 30 x 30 cm. Both would undergo a process of cutting. Next, for the connections, 20 male to male and male to female wires. 8 L clamps of 2 feet, whereas 4 C clamps of 2 feet. Next, motor sizing and battery sizing. The calculations show 60 rpm of stepper motor, 100 rpm of servo motor and 60 rpm of DC motor. A 900 mAh battery would be required for the boat to work for at least 3 hours. Let us now have a look at functional specifications. The first function is motion of the plate. The plate should be moved 5 cm from the source. The plate stops at junction 1, which is 5 cm from the source. Stepper motor senses the plate within a range of 0 to 1 cm. Now, the stepper motor releases the laddu while it moves from 0 degree to 180 degree. Now, the plate moves 10 cm from junction 1 towards junction 2 for the next process. The junction 2 is 15 cm from the source. Servo motor senses the plate within a range of 0 to 1 cm. It rotates from 0 to 90 degree to release the candies. Now, the plate is moved from junction 2 5 cm towards the destination. When the plate stops after traveling 5 cm from junction 2, the buzzer beeps for 1 second to indicate the process completion. Please watch the modeling and simulation of the bot. This catering boat is designed to serve 2 items, laddus and candies. The user has 3 options. He can either choose laddus or only candies or both laddus and candies. The user can choose 1 for candies, 2 for laddus, 3 for both candies and laddus. So if the user input is 1, first this motor rotates for 5 seconds. And the user doesn't want laddu, so it just passes away for another 2 seconds. Now this servo motor rotates and serves candies. This indicates process completion. If the user input is 2, this motor rotates for 5 seconds. Now this motor rotates, and after that this motor rotates for another 2 seconds. This motor stops and this indicates the process completion. If the user selects 3, this motor rotates for 5 seconds until it reaches the laddu. It serves the laddu. This motor rotates for another 2 seconds to reach the candies. The candies are served, and this motor rotates for another 3 seconds to reach the destination. This indicates process completion. Thank you everyone from Team 13.